It's time for another gardening update. Hey friends, it's me, Miss Janita, back again with another gardening video, sharing this Exorcism plant, and it has flowers growing. Didn't know that. Let me see if I can get it close up without touching it, because it hurts when you touch it. There's the flower right there. Another over, wait a minute, some more right there. So maybe that's what the butterflies are going to be attracted to, their little flowers. But that plant hurts. Believe me, it hurts. Don't want to touch it. It's like fire. But I don't know, y'all. I'm not going to be messing with that plant. And when the flowers come and go, I'm going to cut it down and try to put it in a smaller pot, because that plant hurt. I'm going to put it over in a corner somewhere so it don't be biting me. It really stings, that plant. But yeah, that's the Nestle plant. That's what's going on with it. It's getting taller. And there's some violets in there in that pot that keep coming back, because sometimes I don't get to water that pot and those plants dry up. But in the violet, the rainstorm brought that plant back to life. Can you guys believe that? Violets keep coming back over here. But yep, I just wanted to share how big this Nestle Exorcism plant has gotten, and just update on it. More updates to come, because I think we're about to get some more rain out here in Southern California. Just wanted to share, you guys, and I appreciate your continued support. Don't forget to check out the other content creators' channels. Say hello to the looky-loos, passy-bys, trolleys, and the ones that just want to say hello. Okay, once again, look at the flowers. Look at the flowers. Reminded me of an episode of The Walking Dead when Tara was telling those little girl, look at the flowers, look at the flowers. It's a nice shaped leaf, isn't it? Beautiful leaf, but it hurts to touch. Okay guys, I think that's gonna be it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye for now. I'll see you on the next one. Gardening update.